Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking to buy a multi-purpose camping knife, here I have with me Survivor HK-106320 outdoor blade, 7-inch knife with magnesium alloy fire starter. Before we start unboxing and review, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get the notifications for my latest videos. Let's get started. Today we are going to review a camping knife. If you are looking for something nice for a knife for camping, which can be multi-purpose for hiking, hunting and boating as well, this is the knife I think for you. It's a nice sturdy knife which I bought from Amazon. So let's get started. So on the box you will be able to see there is a Survivor knife used for camping, hiking, hunting and boating. So this is a nice box, as you can see from the sides. It says the same thing all over. So let's get started. So this is in the box. You find a nice packing with the silica gel. This is nicely packed. So let's open it. So this is a nice box. So in this you get the packing, a nice packing. Let's open. What's inside? And this, you get the knife nicely packed. This is the cover. I think that has this is the place where you can put in your belt and hang it. This is nicely tacked. This has a velcro. Everything is nice and tight inside. So okay, so let's open it. You get the knife itself, and what else in the inside? You get the okay, so this is for the fire, and that is all you have inside. So this is the knife itself. Let's open it. So this is a nice sturdy knife. I think it is sharp enough. Easily cut through, sturdy and heavy, so you can use it properly. It's made in China. It's made out of steel with the grip of the nylon, so it's nice and sturdy to hold. And as you can see, the strap for hanging. So that is what you get. So if you want to see how big it is, to give you an idea of the scale, so if you can see here, the knife is big enough. It's around 18 centimeters, 17 to 18 centimeters. This cap as well at around 8 centimeters. The overall package is this. So overall this is a nice knife, as you can see, with proper cutting and everything. So all you have to do is to put it back, open the velcro, slide the knife inside, hold the velcro tight, to put this one inside, hold it on and put it inside. It's a nice knife overall, as you can see. When you rub the back side of the knife against the fire starter magnesium rod, the spark is created to start the fire. This is how you do it. So this is unboxing and review of Survivor HK multi-purpose knife. I think this is an overall nice multi-purpose knife built well for its purpose. If you have any questions or comments about this knife, please do leave them in the comments. I'll try and answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, please do hit that like button, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get the notifications of all my new videos. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, and see you guys after.